Zurich, the largest city of Switzerland. Top 4th city in the world in quality of life. The economic leader of the country. Named Europe's most livable city in 2003. The world's most expensive city provides the best public transport, healthcare services, air quality, and financial situations. That's why the residents are happy with their jobs. However, the real joy and pride of the people is the efficient and most advanced transportation system of the Zurich. Let us go on the Zurich's trip on train. Yahoo! SBB, the Swiss Federal Railways, is Switzerland's largest transport company, serving 327 million passengers a year. The charming compact city of Zurich is situated on the scenic northern shores of Lake Zurich with the Limmat River. So what is so unique about the city? Interestingly, the people are welcome here, but not the cars. That's why since 1990 Zurich didn't let number of cars increase in the city. Over 4,500 sensors are installed in Zurich to count and limit the number of cars inside the city. All surplus vehicles are automatically stopped outside the city on highways and main roads. It's all due to one of the world's most efficient mass transport system of Zurich. Real wonder is the coordination amongst all the trains, trams, streetcars, and buses. Zurich Central train station is amongst the busiest train stations in the world due to its 13 platforms and 26 tracks. It serves over 470,000 travelers and 3,000 trains every day. In 2020, the station was ranked second in world in terms of passengers' convenience, when there are 74 railway companies working in Switzerland and 15-lane tram system only in Zurich City. Do you still think people should keep cars in Zurich? Of course not. Let me tell you that how people travel in Zurich. (32% people use tram. Only 26% use cars or motorbikes. 42% people walk or use bikes. 6% use bicycles. So have you ever been to such unique city? If not, you should.